Oats are considered a breakfast staple across the globe, praised for their health benefits and versatility. But are you getting the most out of this powerful grain? Many people unknowingly sabotage the nutritional powerhouse that is oatmeal through common preparation and consumption mistakes. Even worse, some of these errors could turn this superfood into something that actually harms your health rather than helps it. Are you choosing the right type of oats? Have you been storing them properly? What about your cooking methods? Could they be destroying vital nutrients? And those toppings you love, are they enhancing your meal or secretly undermining your health goals? In this video, we'll explore 12 lesser-known benefits of oats and the 8 biggest mistakes people make when incorporating them into their diet. We'll also share expert tips to help you maximize the nutritional value of every bowl. But first, let's discover some amazing benefits of oats that might surprise even health enthusiasts. These insights could completely transform your relationship with this humble grain. If you're new here, welcome to our health community. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to join us on this journey to better health. We'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop your country in the comments below so we can connect with our global audience. So let's get started. The remarkable benefits of oatmeal you might not know about. Boosts immune function. Oats contain unique compounds called beta-glucans that not only help lower cholesterol, but also enhance immune response. These compounds activate immune cells like neutrophils and macrophages, helping your body fight infections more effectively. Regular consumption of oats can strengthen your immune system, making you more resilient against common illnesses. Improves sleep quality. The complex carbohydrates in oats trigger insulin production, which indirectly helps tryptophan, an amino acid, cross the blood-brain barrier. This tryptophan is then converted to serotonin and finally to melatonin, the sleep hormone. Eating oats a few hours before bedtime can promote deeper, more restful sleep cycles. Stabilizes mood. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates that maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the day. These stable levels help prevent mood swings caused by blood sugar fluctuations. Additionally, oats contain B vitamins that support nervous system function and help produce serotonin, often called the happiness hormone. Enhances athletic performance. The slow-releasing carbohydrates in oats provide sustained energy, making them perfect for endurance activities. Their high manganese content also supports enzymatic reactions involved in energy production and helps protect muscles from oxidative stress during exercise. Many professional athletes incorporate oats into their pre-competition meals. Contains powerful antioxidants. Beyond evananthramides, oats contain tocotrienols, a form of vitamin E, and phenolic compounds that combat oxidative stress. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that damage cells and accelerate aging. Regular consumption may help reduce chronic inflammation and protect against various diseases. Supports liver function. Oats contain compounds that help detoxify the liver and promote its regeneration. The amino acids in oats support liver protein synthesis, while their anti-inflammatory properties help reduce liver inflammation. This makes oats beneficial for maintaining liver health and potentially reversing mild fatty liver conditions. Balances hormones. The fiber in oats helps regulate estrogen levels by binding to excess estrogen in the digestive tract and removing it from the body. This can be particularly beneficial for women experiencing hormonal imbalances or those at risk for estrogen-dependent cancers. Improves cognitive function. The complex carbohydrates in oats provide a steady glucose supply to the brain, enhancing cognitive performance and concentration. Studies suggest that children who eat oatmeal for breakfast demonstrate better memory and attention spans throughout the morning compared to those who skip breakfast or eat high-sugar alternatives. Protects against certain cancers. Research indicates that the fiber and unique plant compounds in oats may help reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. The enterolactone produced when gut bacteria process oat lignans has been associated with lower breast cancer risk in women. Reduces childhood obesity risk. Introducing oats early in a child's diet may reduce the risk of childhood obesity. The fiber helps establish healthy eating patterns by promoting satiety, while the nutrient density provides essential vitamins and minerals without excess calories or sugar. Supports healthy pregnancy. Oats are rich in folate, iron, and other nutrients essential for fetal development. Their high fiber content can also help pregnant women manage common issues like constipation and gestational diabetes. The complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy, helping combat pregnancy fatigue. Anti-aging properties for skin. Beyond just calming skin conditions, the silicon in oats helps form collagen, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. The antioxidants in oats combat free radical damage that accelerates skin aging, while the anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and irritation. We've looked at the benefits of eating oatmeal. Now let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when eating oatmeal. 8 common mistakes to avoid when eating oats. 1. Choosing highly processed instant varieties. Many instant oatmeal packets contain hidden sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives that negate the health benefits of oats. These varieties often have a higher glycemic index, causing blood sugar spikes. Instead, choose steel-cut or rolled oats and add your own natural sweeteners and flavors. 2. Ignoring potential contamination. Non-organic oats often contain glyphosate residues from pre-harvest spraying. This herbicide has been linked to disruptions in gut bacteria and potential health issues. Opt for certified organic oats to avoid these harmful chemicals and support sustainable farming practices. 3. Improper storage leading to rancidity. Oats contain natural oils that can become rancid when exposed to heat, light, and moisture. Rancid oats not only taste bitter, but also contain harmful free radicals. Store your oats in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, and consider refrigerating them in warmer months. 4. Overcooking and destroying nutrients. Excessive cooking breaks down the beneficial resistant starch in oats and can destroy heat-sensitive nutrients like certain B vitamins. Try cooking your oats for the minimum time needed or explore overnight oats recipes that require no cooking at all. 5. Pairing with high-sugar toppings. Adding sweetened dried fruits, chocolate chips, or honey can significantly increase the sugar content of your oatmeal, potentially causing blood sugar spikes and inflammation. Instead, use fresh berries, cinnamon, or a small amount of maple syrup to enhance flavor without excessive sugar. 6. Neglecting protein balance. Oats alone provide incomplete protein. Without adding protein sources, your oatmeal might leave you hungry within hours. Balance your bowl by adding Greek yogurt, nut butter, hemp seeds, or even a scoop of protein powder to create a more satisfying and nutritionally complete meal. 7. Consuming raw oats without proper preparation. Raw oats contain phytic acid, which can bind to minerals like calcium, zinc, and iron, preventing their absorption. Soaking, fermenting, or cooking oats helps break down phytic acid. If you enjoy overnight oats, ensure they soak for at least 8 hours to reduce phytic acid content. 8. Overlooking potential allergies or sensitivities. While oats are naturally gluten-free, they're often processed in facilities that handle wheat products, leading to cross-contamination. Additionally, some people may be sensitive to avenin, a protein in oats. If you experience digestive discomfort after eating oats, consider certified gluten-free options or consult with a healthcare provider. By avoiding these common mistakes and embracing the incredible benefits of oats, you can transform your breakfast into a true superfood experience. Remember, small changes in how you prepare and consume oats can make a significant difference in the nutritional value you receive. What's your favorite way to enjoy oats? Share in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Your journey to optimal health continues with every conscious choice you make.